That familiar glow over Bainbridge Island,
South end, north end,
the last light some would see for the night.
middle of the island's fairly okay.
That quick drive up 305,
The highway was out, the traffic lights were out.
not so bad in daylight, but problems aren't hard to find.
Well, we got a pole that twisted, snapped right at the conjunction where all the wires come together.
From his driveway, Gregg Mesmer watches as crews repair a telephone pole taken out by a fallen tree.
It was a loud enough thump that it woke you up. And then within about 4 seconds, the transformer blew with a boom. Nice little fireworks action.
Power had been restored, but these repairs forced crews to turn it back off.
We don't lose it that often. And then, of course, 30 hours or a day and a half, you're going, oh my God, what is this? I can't get used to this.
But the work is swift.
They figured it'd take 4 to 6 hours to put a new pole in, and which is amazing to me. They can do that much that quick.
In the meantime, work inside Messalini Glass is on hold.
We're done for the day, that's for sure.
That's the little shop Gregg and his wife Debbie run out of their home.
We were on the cover of Food and Wine one time.
Custom glassware and art like this.
Vieto Fiore piece that we do, and it's probably got anywhere from 120 to 200 pieces that we will fuse. And then if the lights were on, I could show you a couple of finished ones.
Hopefully soon.
You take it in stride. Have fun with it. You know, we're fortunate it's 46 degrees kind of the thing. When it's 20 and 15, those are some tough times. So we're in good shape.
PSC says that its crews are working around the clock. They even have some help from other utilities throughout the region, even British Columbia. As far as timing goes, they simply say they're working as fast as they can. Live on Bainbridge Island, Jim Nelson, King 5 News.
Jim, thank you.